Hi there! If you're a new viewer, welcome to my Hackerrank series. But if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. I've got the Hackerrank dashboard on the left side of my screen. I've got a very small Jupyter notebook on the right side. It helps me to explain things more clearly. So this challenge is about mutations. Whenever you hear mutable in Python or many other programming languages, remember that if something is mutable, it means that you can change it. If something is immutable, it means that you cannot make any changes. For example, lists. I have a list called my list, and that has 4 and then an A, just randomly. And if I print it for you, you will see that the list comprises of 1, 2, 4, and A. What I can do, I can say, well, can you change whatever is index 3 into hello, and then I print my list. You will see that I just easily converted this letter A into hello. Lists are mutable. But now let's read the task. We have seen the lists are mutable, they can be changed, and tuples are immutable. Yes, we do know that. Let's try to understand this with an example. We have a string called abracadabra. I will copy that here. And I will go ahead and delete the top ones just for simplicity and print string here. Yep, we have abracadabra. You can access an index by sending the index. I can say, what is an index 5? That's letter A. And if I wanted to change letter A, because strings are not mutable, I can't just do this. I will get an error saying that item assignment is not applicable to strings. So what do I do if I want to change this into K? Well, it's pretty simple. First thing you need to do is make a list of the string that you have by simply saying convert my string to a list. And if I print the list of a string, you can call it anything, but I just called it list to string. It will be A, B, R, A, C, whatever. Then whatever you want to change it here. So say index 5, I want index 5 to be K. And if I print list string, you will see that index 5 is K now, whereas before it was A. So once you have done that, just convert your list to a string. How do you do that? Make an empty string, use the join method, and put everything together. If you want to say, oh, what happened? Well, it's pretty easy. If you have a list like this, I'm just trying to put the word hello into letters. So if you have this list and you want to put them together, make an empty string, join them simply like this, and that will be the word hello. What is the task here? Read a given string. That is happening down here. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I would like to tell you that I call this bit the execution part. That's actually where we go ahead and make whatever we want to make. Say, if you were to make a pizza, this is where you actually take the dough, the vegetables, the meat, whatever you want to put on your pizza, and you make that pizza. But here is the recipe. What type of pizza do you want to make? Is that a vegetarian pizza? So you write the recipe up here and you do the execution down here. Read a given string. That's where we are reading the string. Change the character at a given index. So this is the index, this is the character. Like what I did here. I said at index 5, this is the character that I want, 5 and K. So I'm getting that from the user, and then I'm sending it to my recipe function, which is up here. This is where I send it to there. The pizza making happens here, and then I show you the pizza. That's what is happening. As a user, I'm gonna get this string. I told you step number 1 is to convert it to a list. I'm going to call it my list equals list of the string that user gives me. And what I want to change, I want to say, let's change at position and put the character that the user has given me. Okay, I make the change. Then I need to put it together. I want to say the final list is joining whatever changes I have made in my list. And all I need to do is return the final list. let's run this. If it runs, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, submit your code, and we are good to go. Thanks for watching.